President Obama is on the road talking about jobs and the economy. A similar theme in every campaign speech for his Republican rivals. Sometimes action, though, is more important than words. Until a couple of years ago, half of all the wool blankets made in the U.S. came from a single factory in Faribault, Minnesota. Well, now two cousins are getting ready to reopen that plant, hoping to put dozens of people back to work and also put Faribault Woolen Mills back in business. When the Faribault Mill shut down 2 years ago, it retired as Minnesota's oldest manufacturing plant.
This place started at the end of the Civil War, went through the Great Depression, it went through World Wars, and through the many ups and downs of this economy.
This is a trademark, landmark facility of Faribault, the trademark, landmark Faribault. Put Faribault on the map.
John Jasinski is mayor of Faribault.
Closing the doors was an emotional thing for the city of Faribault.
I've been here 38 years. It's part of my heart and soul.
After making coats, scarves, and blankets for 144 years, the mill shut its doors in 2009, a victim of the recession. 50 people lost their jobs.
And that was pretty disappointing.
But that wasn't the end. In June, Paul and Chuck Moody decided to revive the abandoned factory. Now the looms are set to begin spinning again next month.
We will actually start off probably in the 40 to 50 range as far as the number of employees that we will have in operation. We've had actually about 170 applications at this point without anybody advertising.
And some employees who used to work here are already back on the job.
Oh, it feels great. I'm glad to be back here.
You get a chance to rediscover that heartfelt craftsmanship.
There's no reason that there can't be high-quality manufacturing in the United States. I mean, we've heard a lot about things moving offshore at lower costs, but this is something that can be made right here in the United States.
Wool has become more expensive to import, and the Moody's are hoping that will give their made-in-America goods an edge.
We may lose our shirt on it, but on the other hand, this is a chance to try to revive something that we think is important.
The owners hope to have 100 people working at the plant when it opens up next month.